Hey guys, it's Jason with JP3 Motorsports, vaporhome.com. Just giving you a little update on something I've been working on regarding the power steering pump restorations that we're going to be offering soon. One of the main questions was, how do I know if the pump is working either before or after the pump's been rebuilt? So this is a freshly rebuilt unit I have. With all zinc coated hardware, vapor honed body, and all brand new O-rings and seals, brand new bearing, etc. So one of the things that I've been working on is a little bench testing setup. So right here we got a used pump. We got the bottle with power steering fluid, little shut off, so then when I change out different pumps I can cut it off without losing all the fluid. And I have a stand. I got some gauges to test the pressures coming out for open and closed pressures. And then you see the line here, and I have it hooked up to an FD power steering rack so we can simulate the whole experience, and then we got the return back there. So we can test and make sure that every power steering pump that comes in and goes out is working as it should. So here's a little test I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna run it off of my drill. See, pressure is good, and I only have two hands, but I can test that as the pump is running. I can turn the power steering rack and simulate some pressures going there, and I can shut this valve off and see what the closing pressure is. I think book says around 1100 psi when it's closed, to make sure that it actually is holding pressure. Otherwise, that's what we're going to be offering. Bench testing, pre and post restoration, to make sure that your pump is working properly. Cool. If you guys have any comments, questions, concerns, comment in the video. Thanks. Bye.